What's up, this is GDT Cuber, and we are going to be unboxing the QiYi Thunderclap V3. I've heard the boxes are different and seen them. So now let's get to the cube. So, ooh, this feels really nice. Really nice. Ooh, that's nice. Really nice. That's really nice. Only noticed a few lockups in the T-firm, but my main already has those type of lockups. This is a really good cube so far. I really like the feel. Plastic and these shades. These are so nice. Hold on, let's put this into a checkerboard pattern. These shades are so nice. So super duper nice. I love the shades, and I can already tell because it would be all over YouTube if this is 55 millimeters or if it wasn't 56 millimeters. So I already know this is 56 millimeters or 55 and a half millimeters. Either one, but I think it's more. I think it rounds up to 56 millimeters, so we're just gonna say 56 millimeters. So the cube turns really good itself. Let's see the corner cutting. So let's start a little, because I don't expect a big corner cuts. That was a big push right down there. So I don't really think 45 is gonna be too good. And I was correct. Well, that was a... Ooh. Can you see that? I'm not gonna force the turn. But overall, that's one of the only bad things I really noticed. A few lockups in there, and there's still a lot more we're gonna go over. And I noticed the magnet strength isn't too strong. It's just strong enough